What does it look like when Yahuwah finishes something? Not when you finish it, not when you think it's done, when He finishes it. Exodus 39 shows us exactly what that looks like. The priests are being prepared to enter the presence of Yahuwah, and Yahuwah didn't leave their clothing to chance. Every thread, every gemstone, every color, every detail of what they would wear into His presence, He specified, He designed, He ordained. The blue, the purple, the scarlet, the gold twisted into fine linen, 12 stones on the breastpiece, one for each tribe of Israel, every name accounted for, every tribe represented, nobody left out. And when it was finished, Moses inspected it, and the text says something that stopped me completely. Just as Yahuwah had commanded Moses, so the children of Israel had done all the work. All the work. Not most of it, not the important parts, all of it. That's the word today, clothed. Yahuwah doesn't just call you into His presence unprepared. He clothes you for where He's taking you. The garments weren't decoration, they were identity, they were assignment, they were covering. And Yahuwah designed every detail before the priest ever stepped forward. John 21 shows us the same truth after the resurrection. Peter, who denied Yahuwah 3 times, is standing by a charcoal fire, the same kind of fire he stood beside when he denied Yahusha. And instead of shame, Yahusha asks him a question, "Do you love me?" 3 times, once for every denial. And 3 times he restores him, clothes him again with purpose and assignment. Feed my sheep. Peter didn't disqualify himself from the calling. Yahusha reclothed him with it. Maybe you feel unqualified for where Yahuwah is taking you. Maybe you feel like what you did or didn't do has left you without covering. But the same Yahuwah who designed every thread of the priestly garment designed the covering He's placing on you. He doesn't call you in naked. He doesn't send you unprepared. He clothes you first. Every thread, every detail, every assignment designed by Him for you. Psalm 89 declares the faithfulness of Yahuwah across generations, His covenant, His promise, His covering from one generation to the next. What He ordained for the priests in Exodus, He has ordained for you in this generation. You are not uncovered. You are not forgotten. You are clothed for what He has called you to. Where do you feel unqualified or uncovered right now? What has Yahuwah been preparing you for that you haven't yet stepped into? What would change today if you believed He had already designed the covering for where He is taking you? Yahuwah doesn't call you unprepared. He clothes you first. Every thread, every detail, every assignment designed by Him for you. Yahuwah, we come before you today asking you to remind us that you are the one who clothes us, not our qualifications, not our track record, not our performance. You designed the covering. You ordained the assignment. You restore what we thought we disqualified ourselves from. Clothe us today for where you are taking us. In Yahusha's name, amen. One day, one word, one step closer to Yahuwah.